Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Creative Nails collab. So this month we are doing a bugtastic, so we can do any bugs we want to do. And so these are the polishes I'm going to be using today. So these are new and they are very pretty. I have currently hurt my leg, so I can't actually get into my nail room. So I'm sorry if the lighting or whatever is a little bit off. Yeah, I did my best that I could do because I have to have it up. I can only have it down sort of a certain amount of time. But anyway, I've done a very simple, quick design today. But yeah, I hope you do like it. Yeah, so I will stick some music on and I'll come back at the end and we'll see what we created. Hope you enjoy. Speak to you soon. Okay, I'm just going to apply the final top coat and the final touches. This top coat is really nice, really nice. It will be in an upcoming video when I can get around to editing it. But it's a really nice glossy top coat, and as you can see, doesn't smell stamping, which is really good. It did cure underneath my light though. I did leave it quite a while I was faffing about with gems. So that is something to keep in mind if you do buy this top coat. You do have to be careful of your ring lights and that, because it did start curing. I've got some bits and pieces as you saw. These are from Charlie's. This little butterfly is so cute. I thought I'd do like a little like raised bit over the stamping. So yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video today. There will be the collage picture at the end. Please check out the playlist that will be in the description box as always. Don't forget to head over to Instagram to check out all the ladies who don't do videos, because their designs are beautiful. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining me again, and yeah, until next time. I wonder what our next theme's going to be. I'm super excited. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care, stay safe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.